Hello beautiful girls, in this video I will show you the best makeup methods that will make you look younger. Let's get started. It is not necessary to spend a lot of money and hours in front of the mirror to look amazing. Sometimes, some small makeup tips can help save time and gain the reputation of a makeup guru. Face powder between layers of mascara for volume. You can easily obtain an extra volume of eyelashes with the help of your facial powder. After applying the first layer of mascara, apply a thin layer of facial powders on the eyelashes with the help of a brush or a cotton swab. After that, apply the second layer of mascara. Enlarge the lips with the help of powders to sculpt the face. Dust to sculpt the face and a thin brush can make your lips look fuller. This is the secret trick that celebrities usually use on the red carpet. You can add additional volume by creating a shadow under the lower lip and a highlight on the upper lip. Create a very thin line leaving a margin of 2 to 3 mm as shown in the image and add a marker around the upper lip for a filling effect. Illuminate your look with the help of a marker. Clean the makeup sponges in a minute. You can clean almost any makeup sponge in a minute without any additional effort. Simply place it in a bowl with soap and microwave for a minute. Microwave magic will clean it, and all you have to do next is rinse the sponge with water. Before this video, I need to thank the Craftside website for helping me making this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button to get notified when Health is a Wealth channel will upload more videos in the future. Peace.